can see here where the brake fluid has been leaking all over this tire. Definitely having these wheels powder coated will keep them from getting worse, and that is a good example of what leaving brake dust on a steel wheel will do. Not good. The new glory of these guys, that is what they will look like. I was shocked to see how much 15-inch tires cost these days. They're no longer the norm, they're the exception. And I think even those had to be ordered in. They weren't even in stock. Another thing that I genuinely regret was buying the parts, trying to help out my local economy at a local parts store. This is one of those things, if you're rebuilding a Corvette, you just need to go through Corvette Central or someone like Zip Corvettes. Order a complete brake kit if you're going to be doing this. The whole kit and caboodle, rotors, pads, discs, everything. Emergency brake rebuild kit. You're probably going to need it, and you can buy them in bundled packages through those guys, and you know you're getting the right parts. I'm sure with rare exception. You can see the disgusting filth there of the pack rat where he was living for the last few years, nibbling on vacuum lines and other things on this car that have to be repaired.